Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Canary effect video and the readings. So when I was watching the Canary effect video, I was in literal tears the whole entire time. Um, I have never seen it before. This was the first time, and I didn't really know what it was about, and I didn't know what to expect. But um watching it, I thought it was sad to hear about like what hardcore challenges the indigenous people had to go through. Um they talked about the deep-rooted discrimination and the ongoing challenges like poverty and the education of inequality, and like the health parties. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't hear it. I was sad. Um, Back when I was little, I remember hearing about Columbus Day and how Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue in 1492 and how he came to America. I never knew about this different perspective of people being thrown at dogs and being eaten, and babies being thrown by their legs and slammed against a rock. It's so sad. Um, the video was overall very eye-opening and so incredibly sad. It talked about the Trial of Tears, um, with the indigenous people being removed from their homes and their families and walking thousands of miles and being exposed to many diseases. They starved to death and they were dehydrated along this journey. So many people died. Um, the Residential Schools Act is in the Department of Interior and the BBC News. These talked about children being removed from their families and schools. They were stripped of their culture. They were forced to pick a new name, which I thought was incredibly sad. Like, why can't they just keep their own name? They were forced to cut their hair and wear more Western clothes. The unmarked graves of the people and children that died in these schools makes me extremely sad. Like, the youngest age of a child that died was 3 years old. That's awful. But overall, it's important for us as teachers to have a more accurate curriculum about teaching our students about Columbus Day and the different perspectives. Overall, in my classroom, I want to respect the different cultures and the different diversities that children may have. And yeah.